Hey, this is Jonathan here. I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Fill tool in CorelDraw. This application, probably not the best solution for using the Smart Fill tool, but it will show you how to use it. Nonetheless, what we have here is a client needed a black and white version of their logo, plus they wanted a gold one, non-gradient, similar to this one up here. The Smart Fill tool is listed as a subtool underneath your interactive fill tool. So if your toolbar looks something like this, you're going to hold your mouse down, click Smart Fill, and you've got your options up here in the top for colors that you want to use. You also got some of these things here. I don't really do much other than just keep it under specify. And then I pick the color that I want, in this case, which it is gold. And I come in here and I start selecting the parts I want to be gold. Okay. Not terribly difficult, pretty easy. The tool, it can really save you some time. You can use it to generate an object to cut from another object. I use that quite often, and then I just go ahead and delete the object that it created from the Smart Fill. As you can see here, it makes its own object each time. Okay, so that's the Smart Fill tool in a sense. The way I would normally do this, here we'll delete all of those, is I would go in and I would hide everything internally. Since I want all of this to be gold, I still got my Smart Fill tool selected, click it in there, unhide all those objects, and then I got to bring this down, and voila. Okay, so if I was doing it this way, that would be for if they just wanted an image of their logo, so that'd be the best way. The first way, back to having all sorts of objects. Let me show you something here. Boom, go back. All these objects here, I have it in the wrong layer, but not a big deal. So as you can see, as I unhide these, or as I hide these, the smart object, the Smart Fill, makes an object of each one of those. So it goes around all the other objects. So you have this hollowed out. For a screen print, something like this might be good. You're going to have to line everything up, but it'll keep your screen print in one layer. If you want it in the two layers or two levels, then great, do it the second way. But this kind of shows you a little bit about how to use that Smart Fill tool. Hope that helps you get your project done, or just to understand a little bit about the CorelDraw Smart Fill tool. Thanks. Bye.